Divide 768 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 6 and it is 16. 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 768 divided by 3 is 256. So this much for today and thanks for watching.